Graph the square root of x minus 4 minus 2. Well, fun fact is if you have a negative 4 living inside a square root, and let's just make something very clear. Square roots look like this. So having a negative 4 inside the square root tells you move that to the right 4 spaces. Having a minus 2 outside the square root tells you that you go down 2 spaces. So my picture is going to look something similar to that. Okay, so what can I plug in? Well, if I start at 4, I can't plug anything less than 4 because none of it exists. So what I can do is I can pick values that I know I can take the square root of, right? If I plug in 4, I get 4 minus 4 is 0. I can take the square root of that. If I plug in 5, I get 5 minus 1, or 5 minus 4, which is 1. The square root of 1 is 1. I can do that. Now, the next perfect square is 4. So the next number I'm going to use is 8. So if I do 4, I get the square root of 4 minus 2, which is 0, and 0 minus 2 is negative 2. If I do 5, I get the square root of 5 minus 4, which is 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And if I do 8, that's the square root of 4 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So my picture is going to look like 4, negative 2, 5, negative 1, and 8, 0. And then you just try to draw like a nice looking curve like that. And it's not the prettiest. It's not the prettiest, but it's supposed to look something like that, and they kind of ended up looking like that. And that'll do it. That'll do it for radicals, baby.